Prepositions of movement describe how something moves from one place to another. They show direction and action. One important preposition is along. It shows movement following the length or side of something. The preposition along means moving in a line next to something. For example, when you walk along the street, you move next to the street in a line. Trees lined up along the road means the trees are beside the road in a row. We can use along with many places. For instance, drive along the highway means you move beside the highway from one point to another. Run along the beach means moving next to the water on the beach. Flow along the river means moving in the direction of the river's length. Here are some common examples. Trees lined up along the road show how things can be placed side by side. Walking along the beach describes movement beside the shoreline. A sign along the highway means a sign is placed next to the road for travelers to see. The preposition along is often used with nature and places. For example, driving along the coast means moving beside the edge of the sea. Running along the beach is moving next to the water's edge. Walking along the river means moving beside the flowing water. To understand along, think of moving parallel or beside something long. When someone hurries along a path or drives along the coast, they follow a line from one end to the other. The movement is always beside or next to an object or place. Remember, along shows movement parallel to the length of something. It means traveling beside a line or path. Movement using along is never across an object but always lengthwise, following the side of something.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.